Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can truly transform your life: the benefits of regular exercise for your overall health. In this video, we'll delve into the remarkable advantages that exercise brings to both your body and mind. So, grab your workout gear and get ready to embark on a journey that will elevate your well-being. Boost your physical fitness. Let's kick off with the incredible impact of exercise on your physical fitness. Regular workouts can help build strength, increase endurance, and improve flexibility. Whether it's cardio exercises like running or cycling, weightlifting, or even yoga, these activities promote a healthier cardiovascular system, muscle growth, and improved body composition. With consistent exercise, you'll witness tangible improvements in your physical performance and overall fitness levels. Elevate your mood and mental well-being. It's time to explore the mind-body connection. Exercise is a powerful mood booster and stress reliever. When you work out, your body releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. These endorphins reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, helping you feel happier and more mentally balanced. We'll dive deeper into the psychological benefits of exercise, including improved focus, enhanced cognitive function, and better sleep patterns. Disease prevention and longevity. Did you know that regular exercise can be a shield against chronic diseases and promote longevity? Through physical activity, you can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. We'll uncover how exercise assists in weight management, blood sugar regulation, improved circulation, and a stronger immune system. By prioritizing exercise, you take control of your health and pave the way for a longer, more vibrant life. Enhance your quality of life. Let's wrap up with the exciting ways exercise enhances your day-to-day life. From boosting energy levels and productivity to improving self-confidence and self-esteem, exercise empowers you to be the best version of yourself. We'll discuss how regular physical activity fosters better sleep patterns, making you feel more refreshed and ready to conquer each day. Plus, we'll touch upon the social aspect of exercise, highlighting the opportunities it offers for connecting with like-minded individuals. Congratulations! You've now discovered the multitude of benefits that regular exercise brings to your overall health. From boosting physical fitness and mental well-being to preventing diseases and enhancing your quality of life, exercise truly has the power to transform every aspect of your being. So, let's commit together to prioritize exercise in our lives, starting small and gradually increasing our activity levels. Remember, every step counts on this incredible journey towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Share your own exercise experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Stay active, stay motivated, and unlock the amazing benefits of regular exercise for your overall health. See you in the next video.